Good morning. So today is Sunday. I don't know what day specifically. I have no idea. But I know it's Sunday and it is my off day. I went to bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Tell me why I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning. Tell me why I can't sleep in to save my life. Yeah, it sucks. It does. It sucks. Honestly, I don't feel like cleaning nothing. I was really about to turn on the TV and just watch a whole bunch of episodes of SWAT. That's what I was about to do. They're doing preventative maintenance inspections. So I do not want them to come into my apartment with it looking the way it does. So I'm gonna clean up today. Sorry, I'm just rambling. Y'all, honestly, I'm tired. And I wanna eat something, but I just want it to magically appear in the bowl for me to eat it. That's how lazy I am right now. I just don't feel like doing anything. All right, guys, I'm going to be starting with the kitchen. Every time I start cleaning, I always start with the kitchen. It just feels right. I am going to be all over the place in this video, only because I was trying to keep up my motivation when it came to cleaning. Like sometimes I just got to do the most in order to keep the motivation. Cleaning is most definitely not my favorite thing to do. I feel like it's just too much. And I told myself I was going to try to be a little bit neater, but I have a lot of moments in my life where I just come home from work and I fix me something to eat and then I go to sleep. And I do that 3-4 days in a row. It's just something that happens. I am going to work on getting better, keeping my house organized throughout the week so that my weekly cleaning isn't as much. I bought this because it was supposed to help, but this thing, I didn't take into account, I did not take into account that my stove is higher than the countertop. I feel like it's still gonna work, but I really wish it would just be flat. And it's not. It's bothering me a little bit. It's still gonna work for what I needed to do, but I was not thinking about that. This one actually works a little bit more. I cannot wait to get a couch. I feel like once I get a couch and a TV stand and a TV for the living room, my apartment will be like complete. I am so stuck on what kind of couch, what color couch to get. I am not sure. I am still trying to figure that part out. So for now, I do have like a really good open space in my living room area. And I still have yet to get a shower curtain. I don't know why every time I go to the store, it's just not on the list at all, ever. And then every time I do these videos, I'm just like, oh my God, I still don't have a shower curtain. So don't judge me. But one day I am going to get me a shower curtain. I also started showing Wyatt how to wash clothes so that he will know for the future. And I ended off my night with putting away the laundry because it's something that I'm actually horrible at. And that was it. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.